Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where you're getting some random pop-up like this when you make your way over to your Google Play Store, where it essentially says authentication is required. You need to sign into your Google account. Now, the reason why this ends up happening is because you may have just randomly either logged out on your Google Play Store account, and all you have to do is log back in. So what people recommend doing is hopping out of your specific page like this. You want to go and clear out and go outside of the Google Play Store, and you want to go back into it, and that may end up fixing it. You have no idea how many times that may end up fixing it for a lot of you. That may end up fixing it, that may not. The next thing people recommend doing is to hop inside of your Google settings right here. So just hop inside of your settings application. The next thing they want you to do is go inside of your app panel right here. And then what they want you to do is go inside of the Google Play Store application. So you want to find the Google Play Store app right there. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and force stop this application. So go ahead and force stop it just like that. What you can do is go back into the Google Play Store. You want to check if that fixed it. If it didn't, go back into your Google Play Store right here, and you want to go ahead and click under storage and cache, and you want to go ahead and clear cache, and you want to go and clear the storage as well. Now, what this will do is it'll delete the app data within this specific application. This includes files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. So you want to go and click OK. In this case, I didn't do it, but you want to go and click OK. You want to go back into the application, and you want to see if that ended up working. If that worked, then you're good. You may be able to log back in. If that still doesn't work, the next thing that people recommend doing is making your way back into your system settings, and you want to go ahead and get into your accounts panel. So make your way back into your main setting panel like this. You want to scroll down until you see accounts, wherever accounts is. So right here where it says passwords and accounts, you want to go and click here. And what you want to do is right there where it says, autofill service or accounts, or right here for accounts for owner, you want to go and click on your account, and it may actually tell you to go ahead and log back into your account here. So what you want to do is you want to click log into your account, and you may want to remove your account and re-add your account, and that may end up working too. Now, if that still doesn't work and you go inside of your Play Store, that still doesn't work, you may want to go ahead and restart your phone, update your phone, and those things may end up fixing your situation as well. So that is pretty much how to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.